This is a good thing. WSX was always a bad idea, and no one asked for it. Too many injured riders, splits existing riders, and rider needs an off season. Oh man, this is a horrible take, dude. A lot of people asked for another Supercross series. Monopolies are what's not good for a sport, and that's really what we had in Supercross until WSX came along. Too many injured riders? Yeah, I mean, I guess the more series you have, the more injured riders you're going to have. But that also means the more opportunities for riders you're going to have. The more teams, which is more opportunities for mechanics, truck drivers, photographers, people that want to be involved in racing, don't necessarily want to come to the U.S. and do it. We need as many racing series as we can. There will always be guys that step up to fill that void, that come to the next level. And as far as an off season, that wasn't a problem because a lot of these guys running World Supercross weren't going to run AMA outdoors anyway. So plus it's more racing for the fans. Competition elevates everything. I can't agree with this, dude. This is a bad take.